Wooden crafts have long been celebrated for their ability to blend natural beauty with simplicity. The warmth of wood, its rich textures, and the potential for creativity make it an ideal medium for crafting a wide range of beautiful and functional items. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a novice looking to explore the world of woodworking, there are numerous ways to create simple yet stunning pieces that can enhance your home or serve as thoughtful gifts. Hello there, dear viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of simple and beautiful woodcraft ideals you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. One of the most rewarding aspects of working with wood is the opportunity to create decorative home accents. A wooden centerpiece for a dining table, for instance, can be a striking focal point. Crafting a simple wooden bowl or a rustic tray allows you to showcase the natural grain and color of the wood. By selecting a piece of wood with interesting markings, you can create a beautiful object that stands out even when empty. The process of sanding and finishing the wood brings out its character, making it not only a functional item but also a piece of art. Placing fresh flowers or seasonal decor in a wooden bowl can add a touch of nature to your home, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Another appealing project is the creation of wooden coasters. These items are both practical and decorative, serving to protect surfaces while adding a natural touch to your decor. Crafting coasters from slices of wood can highlight the unique grain patterns and colors of different types of wood. You might choose to leave them unfinished for a rustic look or apply a food-safe finish to enhance their durability. Personalizing coasters with engravings, perhaps initials or meaningful quotes, can transform them into cherished gifts. When arranged on a coffee table, these coasters not only serve their purpose but also contribute to the overall aesthetic of the space, showcasing the beauty of natural materials. Wall art is another exciting avenue for wooden crafts. Creating pieces that incorporate wood can bring warmth and texture to any room. For example, you might craft a simple geometric wall hanging by cutting wooden shapes and arranging them in a visually pleasing pattern. The interplay of light and shadow on the wood can create depth, making the piece captivating. Alternatively, you could create a wood panel with a motivational quote carved or painted onto it, combining functionality with inspiration. The beauty of wooden wall art lies in its ability to serve as a conversation starter while enhancing the atmosphere of your living space. Shelving units are also a fantastic project that balances simplicity and beauty. A handcrafted wooden shelf can serve as both a functional storage solution and a decorative element. By using reclaimed wood or natural finishes, you can create shelves that have character and charm. The design can be straightforward, such as floating shelves that appear to defy gravity, or more intricate with brackets and supports that showcase craftsmanship. Displaying books, plants, or collectibles on these shelves adds a personal touch to your decor, and the natural wood provides a warm backdrop that complements any item placed upon it. Crafting wooden toys is a delightful way to create items that are both simple and beautiful. Handmade wooden toys have a timeless charm, often evoking nostalgia for simpler times. Consider creating a set of stacking blocks or a wooden car. These toys can be finished with bright, non-toxic paints or left in their natural state to highlight the wood's beauty. The tactile experience of playing with wooden toys is different from that of plastic, offering a sensory richness that children can appreciate. Moreover, these toys can become heirlooms, passed down through generations, each with its own story and memories attached. In the realm of personal accessories, wooden jewelry presents an opportunity for simplicity and elegance. Crafting pieces such as earrings, necklaces, or bracelets allows for creativity while showcasing the natural beauty of wood. Thin slices or carved shapes can be combined with metal findings to create striking pieces that draw attention. The warmth of wood against skin adds a unique touch, and the lightweight nature of wooden jewelry makes it comfortable to wear. Personalization options are vast. Engraving initials or meaningful symbols can make each piece special, turning them into cherished gifts. Wooden picture frames are another fantastic project that embodies simplicity and beauty. A handcrafted frame allows you to showcase your favorite photos while adding a personal touch to your decor. Using a single type of wood or mixing different woods can create a unique look, and applying various finishes can enhance the frame's visual appeal. A simple design can complement a wide range of decor styles, from rustic to modern. By adding a personal touch, perhaps an engraved date or quote, you can create a meaningful piece that holds memories and enhances your space. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Another engaging project is the crafting of wooden planters. As indoor gardening becomes increasingly popular, creating unique wooden planters can add an organic touch to any room. These planters can be designed in various shapes and sizes, from small herb boxes to large statement pieces for indoor trees. Using reclaimed wood not only contributes to sustainability but also adds character through its weathered appearance. By incorporating drainage holes and liners, artisans can ensure these planters are functional while maintaining their aesthetic appeal. The juxtaposition of lush greenery against the rustic texture of the wood creates a beautiful visual contrast that can enliven any space. Wooden serving trays have also become a staple in home decor, merging beauty with practicality. Crafting a serving tray from high-quality wood allows for a stunning presentation piece that can be used for entertaining or as a decorative item on a coffee table. Artisans can personalize these trays with engravings, adding initials or meaningful designs that make them perfect for gifts. By experimenting with different shapes, such as rectangular, round, or even organic forms, craftspeople can create trays that fit various styles and occasions. Adding handles or unique hardware can further enhance their functionality while providing an artistic touch. In the realm of decor, wooden candle holders are another captivating project. These items can range from simple, rustic designs to intricate, contemporary pieces that accentuate any room. By shaping and sanding wood into various forms, such as tea light holders, pillar candle stands, or even chandeliers, artisans can create stunning focal points that evoke warmth and ambience. The natural grain of the wood can be highlighted through oil finishes or left raw for a more organic feel. Pairing these candle holders with aromatic candles creates an inviting atmosphere, making them perfect for cozy evenings or special occasions. Wooden clocks are yet another exciting avenue for crafting. A wooden clock can serve as both a functional timepiece and a beautiful decor item. By selecting a unique piece of wood with interesting grain patterns, artisans can create clocks that stand out in any room. The crafting process involves not only shaping the wood but also integrating clock mechanisms and hands, allowing for creativity in design. Whether opting for a minimalist look or a more ornate style, a wooden clock can add a touch of sophistication while being a conversation starter in any home. Lastly, the act of upcycling wooden materials can lead to the creation of unique and beautiful items. Repurposing old wood from furniture, pallets, or discarded items allows artisans to create something new while contributing to sustainability. For example, transforming an old wooden door into a coffee table or using pallet wood to craft a rustic bench can yield stunning results. The beauty of upcycled items lies in their history and character, each piece telling a story while serving a functional purpose. This approach not only fosters creativity but also promotes environmental responsibility, making it a meaningful endeavor. In conclusion, wooden crafts offer a wealth of opportunities for creating simple and beautiful items that enrich our lives. From decorative home accents and functional kitchenware to personalized gifts and outdoor decor, the versatility of wood allows for endless creativity. Each crafted piece not only showcases the natural beauty of wood but also serves a purpose, whether it's enhancing decor, providing functionality, or evoking cherished memories. As artisans explore the possibilities of wood, they contribute to a growing appreciation for handcrafted items that celebrate simplicity, beauty, and the connection to nature. Engaging in wooden crafts can be a fulfilling and enjoyable experience, leaving a lasting impact on both the creator and the recipient. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.